This is a 2012 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport 4x4 with 95,000 miles. One owner, and it is stunning. A stunning truck. Not a door ding in this thing. Super clean. Tow package, bed liner, sliding rear window, premium aftermarket wheels. Tires are in great shape. One owner, rust-free Texas vehicle. 4x4. You will not find a cleaner one. In just an amazing condition. Gray cloth interior is like new. It has aftermarket sound in it. I'll show you that in just a second. It has a backup camera in the rearview mirror. 4x4. Original floor mats. No rips or stains or wear marks on the seats at all. 95,000 miles. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. Back seats don't even look like they've ever been sat in. Sorry about that. All right. And the whole back is full of subs and amps. Go to the other side, the Rockford Fosgate. The owner that traded it in wanted the factory radio, but left the subs and amps in for you. So this is a 2012 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport 4x4, 95,000 miles in impeccable condition.